Welcome back everyone. So how you can install Adobe Reader in your Windows operating system. So how you can do that in Windows 11. So let's do it. Okay. So first we need to download our setup. Okay. So first we need to download our setup. Okay. Open the Chrome browser and search here. So Adobe Reader download. Okay, search here the Adobe Reader download. When you search the Adobe Reader download, you can click the first link. It will appear here. Okay, so just click on it. Now, uncheck this install Mac McAfee and free security. So I don't want this. Okay, install the Adobe genuine service name. No, I don't want this. Okay, and just click on download. So you have to uncheck both of them. It's very irritating, so just uncheck it. Okay, and click on download. When you click on download, it will ask me where I want to download, so just save it. Okay, so it's downloaded successfully. I can run here and I also open it. So let's open. Okay, this is the our file setup. Okay, so this is our setup for Adobe Reader. So double click on it and it will run. It will ask you to ask for your permission, so say yes. When you click yes, it will run. Now you can see it's running. It will take a little bit time, so just wait and okay, so the installation is complete successfully. Okay, so just click on finish it. Okay, so this is the free of cost, so it asks me for default permission that, but I don't want to do that. So okay, so you can see the Adobe Reader installed successfully. So that's it for today, and we will see you in the next video. I will see you in the next video. So